Without data, Industry 4.0 is just hype. Not just any data, the right data. Your data. Noodle.ai and Dell designed a new edge-to-edge enterprise AI platform that uses our AI and your high-fidelity data to deliver an Industry 4.0 digital transformation. With a backbone powered by Dell EMC, plus sophisticated AI applications powered by Noodle.ai, you get real-time insights and actionability. That's AI at the edge in action. Sensing, learning, and operating at max real-time efficiency for your constantly changing environment. Be part of the world's first industrial AI platform with Noodle.ai and Dell. Get a state-of-the-art, hybrid cloud industrial strength platform as your organization's AI backbone and start outpacing your competition today. Learn more at Noodle.ai/platform.